Everybody in tech talks about hard skills. Learn Python, learn React, learn AI, learn system design, learn the newest framework that came out 14 minutes ago. But let's be honest, your soft skills are becoming more important than your Python syntax knowledge. And I know that some developers are going to hate hearing this. Hi, my name is Anastasia and this is my YouTube channel. Here we talk about tech, career and leveling up, so please subscribe. Now, obviously technical skills matter. You cannot become a developer without actually knowing how to build things. But here's the thing that not a lot of people tell you early in your career. Being good at writing code, it's only part of the job. Because at the end of the day, software development is still people working with people. You can be one of the smartest developers in the room, but if nobody understands your ideas, nobody likes working with you, or if you can't communicate problems clearly, your career growth will hit a wall eventually. And a lot of people unfortunately don't fully realize that until they start working professionally. Because in school, success, it's mostly individual. You study, you code, you pass, but real jobs are different. When you actually start working as a developer, you understand that now you have to be explaining technical decisions, brainstorm with other people. You have to know how to talk and explain things to stakeholders who are not technical at all. You have to write documentation, read documentation, review other people's code, give updates. You have to know how to handle conflicts and try not to lose your on Slack. Now that's the real world. And developers who grow the fastest are usually not the ones who memorize all the syntax. They're the ones who know how to communicate clearly, adapt quickly, stay calm under pressure, and make working with them easier. Because most of the companies don't just hire coding abilities. They hire people who can collaborate, people who can solve problems without creating 5 new ones emotionally, people who are able to explain complex things simply. Because now that AI can generate code faster than ever, the value shifts more towards decision-making, communication, creativity, leadership, and understanding business needs. AI can easily write a function, or 10, but it still cannot walk into a messy meeting and understand people's needs. It can't deal with conflicting opinions, calm down an angry client, and make smart trade-offs for the business. And another thing that a lot of people underestimate, it's professionalism. Showing up on time, being respectful, being dependable. All that stuff matters a lot more than people think. I've seen so many average developers progressing in their careers just because they were likable, because people liked working and dealing with them, because people could trust them. And I've seen some really good developers struggle because other people don't want to deal with them. And that's the reality of a real workplace. And I really think that sometimes building technical skills is a lot easier than building your soft skills. You can learn a new framework in just a couple of months. But learning how to communicate well, handle pressure, lead people, and know how to work through a conflict can take years to master. If you're even able to learn this. Which is why people coming from other careers actually have an advantage sometimes. If you already have experience working with people, managing stress, knowing how to handle responsibilities, these skills transfer into tech in a huge way. And this is also why I tell people to stop obsessing over trying to memorize every little thing. Because being a great developer is not about knowing everything. Nobody knows everything in tech. The best developers are the ones that can successfully combine their soft skills and their technical skills. So yes, of course, keep building your technical skills, keep building projects, keep improving your programming abilities, but please don't ignore your soft skills, thinking that they are less important. Because in today's job market, especially with AI changing things so fast, your ability to work with people is becoming one of the biggest career advantages you can have. So please, go practice your soft skills.